up to date. Soon, Minnesotans won't have to pay out of pocket for advanced breast cancer testing.
Caroline Cummings explains the impact during this Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Inside this truck is a clinic on wheels. The Mammo A Go-Go at Park Nicollet brings the essential breast cancer screenings to you.
One of the most impactful pieces of our work is getting mammography services to communities that are underserved.
At a roundtable with Congressman Dean Phillips Tuesday, Angela Nelson, manager of the Jane Bratton Breast Center, said many of the patients who use the mobile clinic don't speak English, and 25 to 45% of them don't have insurance or are underinsured. Mammogram screenings after age 40 are covered by insurance, but many women need follow-up tests like an MRI or ultrasound, and the bill can be big.
I can't tell you how many women I have talked to in my years of being with the breast center who have said, I cannot afford to have these diagnostic services.
Starting January 1st, that will change. A new law will eliminate out-of-pocket costs like copays and deductibles when needed.
This bill was really designed to remove those barriers because we know the good outcomes come from early diagnosis, and we want all patients to have that same opportunity for good outcomes that I received.
Representative Patty Acom is a breast cancer survivor herself, and she needed more tests. She hopes the change means people don't put off the testing because they can't afford it.
And every patient that can get that diagnosis a little bit earlier, that can mean a totally different outcome.
Caroline Cummings, WCCO News.
A study from the Susan G. Komen Foundation found a breast MRI can cost $1,000 even with insurance.
And after that roundtable, we talked to Representative Phillips about the historic ousting of the House Speaker. He says he doesn't regret his vote, but he hopes that Republicans pick a successor soon. He suggested his colleague, Minnesota Congressman Tom Emmer, could be the person to do that. Emmer, though, has said he wants to be Majority Leader, the #2 House Republican. Either way, Phillips says important business is being held up.
Congress cannot do a single thing until my GOP friends choose a new Speaker of the House, and it is their choice. They're in the majority. It is their task. It's their job. We cannot do anything. What should we do? We have to support Israel. We have to support Ukraine. It's not just about nations and other countries around the world. This is about an existential threat to freedom and to democracy.
It is not clear when the chamber will vote on a new speaker. Republicans are holding a forum today for those who want the job.